Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to receive payments from Amazon to Wise. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for Amazon to Wise. Then we're going to click on the first link which says how do I receive money from Amazon to Wise. So as you can see there is a page on Wise that tells us how to receive money from Amazon to Wise. So we're going to go to settings, account info, payment info, bank account info, then we're going to add our Wise account number. So this tells you a step-by-step process on how to receive money from Amazon to Wise. You guys could check it out. Then next thing we do is go to our Amazon app. Then we're going to click on the profile section next to home. Then click on manage payment options. Then you're going to click on add a payment method. So add a personal checking account. So here you're going to write your Wise account number. So once you write it, you can transfer money from Amazon to Wise. This is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.